Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers, you are welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to join this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So ladies, in this video for today, you can see I have the best and perfect collections of floral acrylic nail art designs for you my gorgeous queens. So in order for you to enjoy this video, I urge you to watch from the beginning to its end so that you don't get to miss a single slide. So seeing these nails, you see that there are different shapes and different colors, also designed with different kinds of beautiful flowers. So I urge you to watch and pick a slide that fits your personality and your outfit. And as you watch, kindly do support this channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones. Also, you can save this video for a later use. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and engaging in them. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much. So ladies, at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. And if this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types, okay? Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.